Hello everyone, welcome back to PLC Automation. In today's video, we are going to learn alarm handling in TIA portal. And this we do step by step and in a very practical way. Alarms are one of the most important parts of any industrial automation system because they help operators quickly detect problems, avoid damage, and improve safety. By the end of this video, you will understand how alarms works, how to create them in TIA portal, and how to show them on HMI. To do this, we need a new project. I have already prepared a project and now I'm going to add a CPU. As usual, I using 1200 and I will add also an HMI for this training purpose. Display 9 should be enough. Okay. All right. To activate the connection between PLC and HMI, we go to Devices and Network. We click on Connection. We just drag and drop, and the connection is activated. And now we create a tag table. We name it Motor Alarms, and we create here once again Motor 1 alarm, which is Word. Word are 16 bits, and we choose the memory, and we reserve memory 200 for this, and we make active 2 more tags. Activate alarm, deactivate alarm. Okay, these two are Boolean. Since they are Boolean, we take memory byte number 10. All right. Okay. And now we are going to our PLC HMI tag. We create a new tag table. We call it the same name, motor alarm. We open the tag table. We create a tag, motor 1 alarms. This is a word. We make the connection between HMI tag and PLC tag using HMI connection. This HMI connection one is already created when we have made the connection between PLC and HMI. We specify the PLC tag, motor tag, we choose the word motor alarms. Done. Now these two words, they communicate with each other. I will just put here a little faster. Okay, 100 milliseconds. Okay, and now we are going to our HMI alarms. HMI alarms, we create 16 tags. 1 up to 16. One vendor. Okay, you give them a random name. It's like motor overload, tank level too high, emergency stop pressed, and this is the name, and the text, the alarm text, also the same text as its a name. And now we are going to choose an HMI tag. In this case, I have also already created it. Yes. Since the HMI tag and the PLC tag are already connected, the trigger tag will be automated generated here. We prepare our HMI screen. We drag alarm viewer and drop it here on our screen. We go to properties, toolbar, we activate all buttons, and also let me this is all error, we change it to acknowledge. Alright, okay. In this case, we go back to our screen, we add two buttons. Activate alarms, activate, deactivate, deactivate, okay. Alright, and now we'll link our tag to the buttons. We go press, invert beat, edit beat, invert beat, activate, PLC tag, motor tag, activate alarms, and this one deactivate. Later on I will show you why do we use these two buttons. Okay. Alright, let me change. Deactivate alarms. If it's normal, it's red. No, it's green. And when it's 1, it's red. We add an appearance. Okay, activate alarm. Alright. In the background, it's my daughter. Okay. Alright. And now we go to our PLC program block, add a new block. I will choose a function and name it motor 1 alarm. The language, we keep it as it is. Why it's not? The name is already taken. Motor 1 alarm. Yes, okay. Okay, we call our function block to ob1. Alright, it's done now. We use a counter just to generate the alarms, counter up and down. It's a counter motor 1 alarm. Alright. For this training purpose, I need to activate also the system and clock memory. We activate, we use it now. I go back to my function. I just add 2. Alright, and here 100. And I go to my add just alright, this is down and this is up. Alright, and now I go to PLC tag and now activate alarms, deactivate alarms. I going to default tags and the memory, the clock bits I have activated, I will use here. Alright, alarm activation. Okay, now we use counters. We use okay. Now we say greater or equal when our counter is equal to 5, memory 200.0 should be activated. It's our alarm bit 0, and I will do it for 16 bits. So it's 0, I will do it for 16 bits. Right now I have just did it for 8 bits till 7 8 bits, and now I will just copy and paste it. And now memory 201.0, and I will continue till 8. 8 8 in total we're gonna have 16 bits. Now I have used the same block, greater or equal to 16 bits. So for example, when my counter is equal to 5, activate alarm number 1, bit number 0 from the 16 bits, and when it equals to 10, it's bit number 2, up to when it's equals to 80, bit number 16. I will show you this. You can just copy and paste on your computer. Alright, so now we are going to test our project. In this case, I will just compile, see if there is any error. Not yet. And now I will go online, start the simulation. All right. Let's do it 1 second. Load. Finish. Okay, let's go online. And let's go to our HMI screen. All right, let's activate alarms. It counts 20. Oh, it's very fast. Let's choose another tag. PLC tags. Default tag. I don't understand it. But my apologizes. I have just stopped the video to look what was wrong. And I have found, so when we go to the properties of the alarm viewers, so we have created acknowledgement alarms, and this acknowledgement was not activated. So we have to activate it in order to be able to see the alarms which are acknowledgement. Go to my HMI and I go online. It should work. Yes, we see all the alarms are activated, but we go back to our here. Come on. Oh, it's up to 61. So when I activate more alarms, deactivate, and also acknowledge. One by one, they are going to be acknowledging, and I acknowledge, it disappears. This disappears when I deactivate and activate alarms. It have to make more alarms right now. It goes, yeah. All right, so that that's it for today's lesson on alarm handling in TIA portal. In the next video, I will try to make real PLC connections. For example, that we can use the real inputs and outputs to these alarms. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others, other students, automation engineers, PLC technicians. And so this is PLC automation, and I will see you on in the next lessons. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.